Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Measure and giving it camera permission so it can see the scene. Once done, you must calibrate by moving the phone in a steady arc so the app judges depth accurately. Position the viewfinder over the object edge. You'll see a white dot, which marks the start. Tap the dot once to anchor, then press the plus or drag to the next point to start measuring. Make sure to keep the object fully in frame while you place that first anchor point. Now continue by dragging the reticle to the next edge and tapping plus to lock the second point. You can repeat this to create multi-segment paths for irregular shapes. You'll want to switch modes when needed, choose length for lines, area for surfaces, or angle for corners, and change units from the unit menu if you prefer cm versus inches. Once you've captured the points, tap the shutter icon to save a measure photo. This embeds them. To finish, tap any measurement label to edit, delete, or copy the numeric value to clipboard for pasting into notes or a message. Make sure to save or share the measure photo when you're done. You can also export measurements by screenshot or share sheet. If numbers seem unstable, improve lighting, bring the phone closer, or restart the app and recalibrate by moving the device slowly in a steady arc. This one troubleshooting step fixes most accuracy problems, good lighting, and steady motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.